Whoa, what's up, everybody? It's Lil Killah, the fastest rapper alive. You know? So let's get to it. Ain't number second to the rapper to a whole nother page. I just number 7 of the blast and then do but the face of the with the mace. I just number to the rapper, the nigga, but the come to the pair, get out my cage. I just number the gym and the name of the pair, but the motherfucker to be determined and racing and the kid of sad double the come in the middle of the top of the pack and the nation, but the ribbon mother, top of the same with the nigga to spin them up with the game, but the guy with the question, never to the mother toe. And the stuff that was stepping up on the lap, top of the big, but the nigga with the rest of that motherfucker volcano, breaking my proper. Top of the mother, the mother, the top of the family, just the 5 and the motherfucker, the quick with the spire. And it was some of the nigga with the quicker, the some of the number of the vision to the dome and the number of the beam, and again, the almost the number of the brick and the some of the film of the brick and the number of the business. And it's the brick and now the kill with the brother group is still doing this shit. And it's some of them that give it up, and some of them was doing myself, don't give a fuck. And the ever do one of the brand to touch you up, and the some of them told you you're gonna get fucked up. Some of them put them in the motherfucker in the closed casket. So them of them giving the the crack is so bitch, we mad shit. We give them the strip of the grind, and them on the strip of the fucking class shit. Them of the rhythm of the rum of the rapping, it's just like I'm doing class 6. Them of them 7 of the case, some of them of the drama, the bottom of the chamber, the top of the top of the nigga, the bottom of the sugar, the top of the answer to get the picture, bitch nigga. They're the lava from the volcano, rapping like a volcano. Fit the lava from the volcano, bitch, I'm rapping like I'm in the volcano. Fit the lava from the volcano, bitch, I'm rapping like I'm up in the volcano. For the high doctor from the volcano, I'm rapping like I'm up in the volcano. So the limit things to do so many little time. The number the fucker, the percent, number 7, I'm following in the world of the world. Why when the motherfucker around with the double all the time, then they give it the rim of the storm, the film of the storm, the rapper, the storm, the position, the record, the film, the storm, the rapper, the stick, the gas, and the puma and the Guinness. Oh, really gonna finish. And the storm, and the film, and the nigga, the mother with the stem, and the mother with the stem, and the coming in the nigga became the scandalous. And the storm, and the mama, the motherfucking man, people to the blast, and the ass, the grass, and the motherfucking job, and the torture, I be doing my third dizzle. I just done the shots doing the motherfucking tomato. I just done the mission, but the name of the motherfucking mission plain simple. So they remember that was saying to keep it quiet, no motherfucking grown man to so but the better respect me, so the nigga the same with the arm and the permanent silence. I just done the nigga to sober down, doing the big eyes, to over the sin and out, to over the dick down, to over the girl, but to put my big ass motherfucking dick in your mouth. Some of them is over told them what they ever do, want to do the back and so that everything what you want to motherfucking murder niggas having to come on the server because the nigga don't give a fuck about you or your whole crew. I just done the back and the diamond, the back and the one when I meet the blues, and the some of them was over the nigga to them on the motherfucking newspaper that you and I do. Number direct and that's the truth. Bitch, the motherfucker, dumb them and the bitch ready to try motherfucker with me, I'ma fuck over you. Feel the lava from the volcano, I'm rapping like I'm in a volcano. Feel the lava from a volcano, I be rapping like I'm up in a volcano. I'm not in no motherfucking TV screen, ho. I'm all over the internet, YouTube.com, hit me up, MURDRAH11. I just I'm under the time on the thing, but the rapper, I'm making them gonna do some fun. Double to the devil to the smoke, number leads to the nigga to the never to the being on the run. Double to the dog and number dozen from the motherfucking enemy to come under the comment of surprise and jump on them coming in the interface action. Double to tumble to the recognizing. I just I'm under the nigga to the rabbit, I'm a stop at the mountain, and I never out of nothing. There's something that they came and never tell, but never time under the pump to the round, and the nigga still running. I just stop at the talking to the talking and the pump on the police and the nigga get witness to the scam and the payment to the top of the position, and I gotta get witness to the top of the finish. Some of them was to stop at the never the grip of the power, the grip of the bracket, the home of the time. You know you're gonna get on that crack on the blast, motherfucker, you gonna be on the little sound. Ain't nobody rapper, no sense in the door, but they go that know they be missing. And stop on the grip of the payment, and stop on the pack and the rid of the blast, bitch. And stop on the name of the grip of the accident, and the name become more promising. So you go with the people to the woman to be involved in some violence. And it's time to the nigga with the rap and the nigga with the big ass and the nigga to mashing it. And it's time to the neighbor to do the woman to do the blanket to all you bastards. I got so many different styles, can you fucking keep up with my velocity or the speed? Are you toughen up or you roughing up or you really got that street credit like I do? From on that level walk paper, kicking my mouth posse, and that's the fucking truth. So what you really wanna do? All of my, I kill them too. Murder, then seek and destroy any enemy that wanna come step to me like they was close to you. Feel the hot lava from a volcano. Nigga, I be rapping like I'm in a volcano. Feel the hot lava coming from a volcano. I be rapping like I'm in a volcano. Feel the hot lava coming from that volcano. And I be rapping like I'm in a volcano. Feel the hot lava coming from a volcano. I be rapping like I'm in a volcano. Yeah, from doubles to singles, I do this shit though. I kept my composure. I did what I did, so hope y'all like it. Cause I like it. It's nice to me. But it's up to y'all, up to the fans. So you know what it is. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, and enjoy. And I'll get y'all tomorrow. Just trying to follow up with these videos. Gotta keep on dropping it, you know. Keep y'all entertained, keep y'all interested. That's what I do. So, it's Lil Killah, the Fast Rapper Live signing out. Peace, love, and respect. 1.